up, everybody? I hope everyone's enjoying another new day here. As you guys can tell, this is actually another beautiful day and my final day off for this week. Let's go ahead and take on our day. Hope you guys are ready. I've never seen so many bees out here. I mean, this is just a few right in here. This is only some of them. And one of them just came right up to me. Holy cow. There are a ton of bees out here today. That has me a little concerned. A couple of them just ran into that gutter. Crap. They're getting too close again. Right above me. On the plus side, I can still hide in here. But what the... Oh, don't tell me that's human feces. That's just disturbing. And whoa. Big web. Big cobweb. I gotta be a little quiet in here because right there is you know whose room. There we go. Don't have to be as quiet, but yeah. I still have to be careful. Yep, looks like it's not going to be so nice out for much longer. Looks like we got some afternoon showers moving in. Oh, hold on, this is going to be evening showers. Just look at the time. Yeah, we're in the Camaro, guys. Unfortunately, there's something going on with it, so yeah, there seems to be a major exhaust leak now, and we can hear a rattle whenever it's on throttle. Plus, take a look at that over there. That mirror is rattling really bad. Mine's not really rattling because it's stuck in that position. Hello everyone. He did have a little accident with a bush the other day in concrete. Somehow it's still holding. Turn signal's dented in a little bit there, but it's still visible. However, the worst problem, we have a hole in the muffler back here. Because someone thought it would be funny to try and they'd be good at cutting into his exhaust. I don't know who was stupid enough to do that, but I guarantee you it's a neighborhood thief in his area. The same one that's been in and out of prison. Honestly, guys, my flashlight's been a piece of junk recently. At least the one with the magnet on it. You see, it just cut off out of nowhere. Not sure where that came from. Look at that. I should not have to worry about this. That homeless guy better not be here. And by the looks of it, he's not. That's it. Piece of junk. Should not have to do this to get a... Oh my god. And now it doesn't want to work. piece of crap. Great. I'm gonna break this damn thing. Literally after jumping on it, it finally decides to work right. I hate this thing, I swear. There's that transit van. Sorry if it's a little blurry, guys. Again, this flashlight has not been very reliable recently. Yeah. No homeless guy. Probably because he got what he wanted out of what I had here today. Let's see here. The heck? I just heard movement. Probably something in here. And my phone is somewhere in here too. Smashed to bits. Because I was so angry at the fact that it wouldn't work right. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified of every new upload on this channel. If you haven't already, guys, go ahead and check out my other channels. Links are in the bio, along with my social media if you guys want to follow me or send a friend request. Also, guys, I would like you to check out my referral links for Epidemic Sound, Amazon Prime, SoundJ, and Fiverr. Links are in the bio. Not only that, but I am a freelancer on Fiverr, so if you guys would like to check that out, the link to my seller profile is in the bio. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed your day, and I'll see you next video.